Hello everyone! On this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the Chiara, and for the following video, I'm use them to make the backdrop decoration. Okay, now let's go. About how to draw the Chiara, there are 3 ways. Use some app, buy the template, and draw them by yourself. For the first ways to use some apps, it will be very easy. Just search the app special used for wedding or event design will be okay. And on this video, I will show you the following 2 ways. Okay, now let's starting with the template. Talking about the template, look, I bought 2 templates, this one and this one. When you get the template, just pick the material you want. Drag the template. You drag the template you want will be okay. This one. And this one, for example, if you want this round backdrop, just click this round backdrop and drag to the place you want will be okay. And then you can change the size by drag display. Look, you can change the size. And then I need this balloon garland. Also, pick the garland and drag to the place you want it to be. That will be okay. Then pick the material from the template you buy and then combine them together. Adjust the size, and also you can change the color. Click here and use this one, and then click on the color you want, like this one. So we can change the color. Okay, so we can buy the template and pick the material you want, adjust the size, and change the color to make your own design. This is the fast and best way to make the backdrop design. But you need to know how to use AI software. Using the AI illustration software, you need to buy the template with the file format EPS. And there's another template with the file format PSD, so you need to use Photoshop to edit the template. So you need to know how to use Photoshop and AI. It's very simple. I learned how to use them from some YouTube tutorial, very easy. And on the following, I also will show you some idea about how to use these 2 software. But anyway, I strongly recommend to buy the template used by AI. Okay, if you don't want to buy the format, you just want to draw the Chiara by yourself, then let's go to the third way to draw it by ourselves. Okay, let's draw the Chiara by ourselves using AI. AI is Illustrator. About how to create a new file, you can learn from other tutorial. I don't show you on this video. Okay, I like to draw the Chiara on display. Okay, let's make 3 basic Chiara backdrop. The first one, look, use this tool. Draw a square, and we need to set the size we want. For example, I want it to be 1.5 meter tall and 1 meter wide. Change to use this tool, and then click. Look, there's a round spot here. click, and then press and drag this round circle to the place you want. Okay, like this. Okay, this is one of the backdrop. And then let's change the color. We can change color by click this tool or click here to change the color. Okay, if the AI version different to mine, you need to learn some basic knowledge of how to use AI. Okay. Then the next Chiara backdrop. Okay, look, use this tool and then drag the mouse to make a square shape. And then set the size we want. Maybe I want it to be 1.7 meter tall and 6 meter wide. Okay, and then look, change to use this tool. And also look at there's a round spot. Click here and press the sheet and click this ball and then release the sheet and drag the spore. Okay, then we got the arch. Look, we got an arch. And also change the color. Change the color you want. Okay, then the last Chiara backdrop. Okay, first of all, look, use this tool and then drag the mouse to make a square shape and then set the size. I want it to be 1.9 meter tall and 1.1 meter wide. Okay, and then change to use this tool. Look, there's a spot. Click this ball and press Shift. And also click this ball. Release the Shift. And now drag the spore to the shape. And then look, object, path, and then offset path. And now we want to set the size of our arch. This one, because we want it to be smaller. So minor. And we need to set the width of the arch. Maybe 20 cm. And then look, we got another smaller arch. Look at this. Change to use this tool. And look, press Shift and click this ball. Look, this ball, not this round ball. Click this ball and this ball. release the shift and jet the mouse to the middle. Maybe not middle, on this line. Just press this line and jet the line to the bottom. Okay. And then look, change to use this tool and select all this picture and press this tool. Look, this tool. Press Alt and click on this part and this part. Okay, so we got an arch like this. Now change to use this tool and we can change the color. Okay. Look. 3 arch completed. Three basic Chiara backdrop was ready. Oh, okay. I will change all color to this color. Use this tool. Click here so we can change the color to make sure they are in same color if we want. Okay, now this is 3 basic Chiara backdrop we make. Following, I will take another video to share with you some idea to use the ballroom garland, flower garland or other material to decorate the backdrop. I will post it on my channel when it was ready. And also for the following videos, I think I will take this design in reality. I will print out this backdrop and use the flower and other material to make the backdrop in reality. If you are interested, please follow my channel. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.